Hi guys, today I received this Hoover high performance swivel vacuum sweeper. It says no loss of suction. It has a 5-year warranty. It says sealed allergen system, multi-cyclonic filtration. And Hoover tested for paws and claws. So let's open it up. And it also has a pet turbo tool, a dusting brush, and a crevice tool. I did receive this for free to try out and see how I like it and to give my opinion. And here it shows tools and stuff. So you can check out hoover.com for information. So the first thing here is a little bag, and it has a hangy thing so you can hang it like by the sweeper, which will be good for me because my sweeper's in a closet and it has a hangy thing. So this is the handheld piece. And here's the crevice tool. And here's the small brush. Everything in the top. And there's a little handle here, so it makes it easy to pull out. It's very well packaged. You can see all this here. Okay, stands up good, easy. Let's get this all set up. I'm not much of an instruction person, but I might need to get that out. Let's see here. Guess this is gonna have to hook onto this. There's that. Just it went right. I guess I wasn't in film, but it just went right on there. I don't know that it comes back off. I think it should. Yeah, there we go. So here's this piece and this, and it just pops right on there. And to take it off, there's a button right here. Just push it and pull it. So very simple. And then take this pole and put it right up in here. And that's locked in there. And we'll undo the cord. And wrap it around here. Okay, and then it has a little little spot here on the plug that just attaches to the wire there, the cord. And then we put these tools on here. Probably should get the book. Oh, just one on each side. There's a spot there and a spot here. They just go on there. I'm sure you could put either one on either side if you want. And then The hose locks in there. So very easy to set up. So here it is. Okay, and for the cord, you can undo it and unwind it, or you can use this quick, you just turn this little lever and you can quickly remove the cord just like that.